Hi, welcome to our channel. So this is our third video of uh, learning about C++. We are going to learn about the end line statement. This is also known as ANDL. So here I am in the source file of devcpp. The preprocessor directives and all the other needed requirements that we have to write in our code. I am going to paste it here like this one as hash include iostream.h using namespace std main and the body of the function. So now we are going to start with our cout statement. So here cout less than we know about cout statement that it displays the output on the screen. So we also know that if we put double quotation marks, so everything within these double quotes will be printed on the screen as same as we write it. So we write here, this is my first program. So at the end we are going to put a semicolon. Now we are again going to write cout less than double quotation. I am using dev C++. Here you can see that I have written two statements. First is this is my first program, and the second is I am using dev cpp. So when I go to execute tab and compile this code, so it will show that there is no error or no warnings there. Errors are 0, warnings are 0 etc. So now I'm going to run this code. uh, in the second option, this is run F10. So I'm going to use it, run. So here you can see that as this program runs, our output statement is this is my first program. I am using the dev cpp, but in the program we have written two lines. This is my first program in the first line, and I am using the dev cpp in the other line. Here you can see that in this area or in this dialog box, these are written on the same line. Reason behind this single line display is that compiler of C++ is not aware that the line has ended. So we have to told the compiler by using the endl statement that two different lines should be displayed separately. For this purpose we are going to close this tab, and now I am going to write here the new line statement. So I am going to write here cout less than endl. This is end line statement. So shortly we write it as endl. So now I am going to execute it. I am going to compile it from executable tab. Have you noticed that I have not put double quotes around endl statement? The reason is compiler of C++ language is aware of endl statement. He knows that whenever we put an endl in the end of any statement, it means we are going to break the lines. We're going to shift the control from the next to the next line. In short, we can say that there isn't any need of putting double quotes around endl statement. So that's it. I have added a end line statement in between our two cout statements. As we have compiled the program already, now I am going to run it. So here you can see that our two statements are displayed separately. First line, then this is the second line. So this is the first way of separating the two lines or ending a single line. There is another way. If we remove this endl statement and put here single quote, now backslash sign with n. This is also the other way of doing the same as the endl statement does. Single quotes, backslash, and then n statement. Now we again compile our program. There is no error, no warning. Then run it. So here you can see that this is our first program. I am using devcpp. So endl statement and backslash n in enclosed in single quotes does the same thing. So one more thing about the end line statement is that, sorry, end line statement, not about end line statement, this is about cout statement. We can do this in a different way. I'm going to delete this code. Now also I'm going to delete semicolon. So I can write it as less than sign endl less than and double quotes. I am using dev c plus plus now end line statement. So compile, no errors, and then run. So you can see that the result is same. This is my first program. I am using devcpp. So shortly we can say that cout statement can be executed with different other statements, separating them by double less than signs. So that's all for today.